25 days ago, we started a Faceless YouTube channel, and I decided to have a look at this method because I'd seen all of these different videos on YouTube of people saying, get AI to create your videos, make tens of thousands of dollars a month, etc. So I did a bit of research and we set it up. In today's video, I'm going to give you an update on this. I'll share with you the software I'm using and all of the good stuff, okay? So let's dive into it. Oh, and a quick side note as well. If you are interested in starting your own Faceless YouTube channel, I have got a 4-day challenge which is starting on Tuesday. It's absolutely free. There's no upsells or any course I'm trying to sell it to you in it. It's just a simple 4-day challenge. By the end of the 4 days, you'll have your channel up, running, and also optimized, and we cover all that in the video. I'll show you quickly. We shared this over in the Facebook group down here. I did have that ready for you as well, by the way, before it just disappeared. So you can see here, look, it's a free 4-day challenge, and this is what we are going to be covering in the challenge, okay? So if you're interested in this, I'll put a link to it below. Go ahead, check it out. It'd be great to have you on board. So let's dive back over into today's video. So you can see this on here says this is the number of views in the last 28 days. You can see it's not actually been 28 days yet because of when we first started this, okay? But I'll give you an overview of this, and as you can see, the numbers on this channel have been epic. I mean, look at that, 3,400 hours watch time in less than a month, and an additional 228 subscribers, and you can see the numbers on here, how it's been doing, and you'll see this huge spike over here where it just massively jumped up. That wasn't from one video. I'd love to tell you it was. That whole jump was from a combination of shorts, 2 different shorts I had just literally started taking off at the same time, and also it was 3 long videos as well. They started to get a little bit of traction as well. Unfortunately, the shorts, which was driving the majority of that, literally lasted a couple of hours and then came back down. But as you can see, the numbers don't lie. It's epic, okay? And why I like this method and what I'm going to be sharing with you today is the simplicity of it. It is incredibly simple. It's beginner friendly. You're not on camera. You're not talking. And if you've got 5 minutes a day, you can do this. You absolutely can. So what is the method and how we're doing it? So I mentioned we are using AI software to create our videos. Now, I'm doing long form and short form. So the long ones, I'm using a piece of software called Syllaby. The short ones, I am using a free piece of software called Opus. And basically, I take a long form. I'll show you this as we go through the video, okay? But the reason why I'm doing a mix of long form and short form is this, okay? So if I scroll down here, you'll see this is average view duration for all these videos, which I'm obviously going to blank out because I don't want you to go over to the channel and distort the numbers because this is still part of the case study. But you can see on here, average view duration, and then we've also got the views. So 37,000, 26, 22, 24. We've had some really good numbers on there. And then you'll notice like this one here I'm hovering on, this one here, this one, and this one. These are all shorts, and the reason why I am doing this is because of this. So let me go into one and I'll show you. Okay, so if I come into, let's go, there we go, there's the first one. So for example, this short over here had 2,300 views, but it got us 13 subscribers, which is brilliant. Look at this one over here, 2,900 views, and that got us 6 subscribers. And then this one, 22,000 views, and it got us 58 subscribers, which is absolutely awesome. And here's the great thing about this as well is the short videos are directing people back over to the long form video. So that is the process. Create a long form video. From that long form video, we then have our AI software, which is free, and I'll show you. It literally takes that long form and then it clips it up into shorts for you, and you can upload them onto YouTube. And that's it. That's exactly what I've been doing. So one long format video, and then shorts directing people back to the main video. And as you can see, we're getting a lot of subscribers, so that's more eyeballs potentially on our long form video, which obviously helps drive us over to the watch time requirements over here. And then obviously you can monetize it with affiliate marketing and other ways, okay? So let me show you the process and how simple it is. So put a link to this down below for you. Definitely recommend it. It's called Syllaby, and I'll show you the inside of this right now. How it looks, how it works, etc. There's currently 25% off as well, and you can try it out for free for 7 days, okay? So highly recommend it. And you can see, look, turn any idea into faceless videos. There's loads of templates and other bits you can try with this, okay? So this is the one that we're doing. There's more features in here, like getting a clone. I haven't even bothered with that. I am just using the simple way. So let me log in and I'll show you this. Okay, so this is exactly how it looks on the inside of the software. Really straightforward, okay? On the left-hand side, you've got these different tabs down here. Realistically, you'll be spending 90% of your time in this one over here, the dashboard, because this is where you can create your faceless videos. The other thing is that you can discover ideas in here. So type something in here, it will give you video ideas. There's a rail clone where you can clone yourself, but we're doing faceless YouTube videos. I'll show you the tab really quickly. That is how it looks. Not used it, not looked at it. Don't need to because I'm doing faceless. Then we've got video editor, exactly how it sounds, edit videos. Bulk scheduler, so inside of here you can literally schedule your content across loads of different social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, etc. Publish, you can publish them directly, and then you've got my videos and calendar. Okay, that's it. So we'll come up to the dashboard. What are we doing? Well, we are creating a faceless video. And the great thing about this is it is just a few steps. And as I said at the beginning of the video, if you've got 5 minutes, you can do this because I'll show you how simple it is. So this is it. You've got 5 steps on here. Now, I'm a creature of habit, so I like to use the classic mode, but you can use either this one or classic, okay? So I'm going to come over here to classic mode. And then all I've got to do is pick a template, fill this in, and we're good to go, okay? Now watch how simple this is. So if I come on here, we've got all of these different templates. And I've been playing around with these and, going backwards and forwards on different ones. But basically, this will give you an idea for your videos. If you select any of these, it will give you a preview over here, roughly how it would look, or the theme of the video, okay? So if I click on, let's just click on comic book, okay? And I'm going to click on confirm. You now see it's changed over here. So we'll continue with this theme. We'll go with comic book. Scroll down, language, English, but you can see we've got all of our languages in there. Then we've got subtitles, which is the text here going across the screen. You don't have to have that one. Again, lots of different options with this, or you can have no subtitles. So select one. Then we've got voices, again, loads of different voices, young, middle-aged, male, female, etc. You can go through, and if you want to listen to any of them, just simply click on the play button, and it will play the voice so you can hear it. Once you're happy, just select it, and then you're moving over to video length. Now, on here, a few options. You have got the orientation of your device. So as you can see over here, we have got vertical and we have got horizontal. So the type of video you want and also the length of this. So for this example, we will go for a 1 to 3 minute video. And then scroll down here, we're nearly done basically. So we've got custom scripts, which is basically anything I put in here, it will create the content for me. We've got AI script assistant, so give it a rough idea of what you want the video about, it will create it. URL to video and also audio to video. So for this, I have literally been using custom scripts. And why I like this, and I'm using this for the case study over the other ones in the marketplace, is with Syllaby, it creates the videos for you using unique images and videos and other bits, okay? So whereas platforms like Pictory and InVideo, when you create a video in there, it doesn't create unique images for you. It will use stock images, and it will go over to those stock images, find an image related to your word or your script, and it will create the video for you that way. The Syllaby creates unique images, so the whole video is unique. Awesome. So in here, you need a script. Now for this, am I start typing this out? No, of course not. I'm lazy. So for this, I am using ChatGPT, and I've just simply, you can see here, like I've said, please give me a 3-minute video script for this video, YouTube video. Superman v Batman, and that's it. I mean, you can go, you can put in more crazy prompts if you want. I like basic stuff, simple stuff. So I've just said, give me a 3-minute video, and then it's come back with this. And then all it's a case of doing is copy and paste. Come down here. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back into the software, and I'm going to paste that into here. That is it done. Now, very quickly before you click on generate video, I'd recommend you go through and just double check your spelling, make sure it all makes sense. So I'll do that really quick. Get rid of that, and I'll put a comma instead. And that, to me, looks pretty much good to go. So once you've done this, and all I'm doing here is I'm taking out the cross and I'm putting it in a comma. So I'm just doing that really quickly. ChatGPT does that sometimes. So once you're happy, you just click on generate video and then it will create the video for you. And you'll see over here, it will then give you, based upon that script you've just put in, it'll give you more ideas for your next video. So you can copy those and put them in a Word document and use it that way, okay? So I'll pause the video. I'm gonna go grab a coffee. I'll come back in a couple of minutes once the video is done and I'll show you it, because normally, depending on the length of the script, it takes a couple of minutes at most, okay? So I'll pause it and I'll be back. Okay, so we're back and the video is done and good to go. So I'll press play and you can have a little look at this.
It's the battle of the
In
century.
fact, what I'll do is I'll scroll down here, sorry, really quickly. Let me
the man of steel,
the volume up
a godlike protector,
hear it.
versus the Dark Knight, the ultimate strategist.
So,
Who really wins?
so there we go.
When these two legends clash, let's break it down. Superman is the definition of power. Faster than a speeding bullet, stronger than any mortal, nearly indestructible.
So as you can see over here, the video is absolutely brilliant. It's incredibly, it's unique to me because I've put the scripts into it. So all of this is unique. And as you can see here, we went with the comic book template. So it's done this in a template of a comic book, or the style of a comic book. But as you can see, as you saw a few minutes ago, there's loads and loads of different templates that you can use in this. The ultra realism is really good as well. But this is it. So once our video is done, we're then just downloading that and putting that video over onto YouTube. And then I'll show you the other piece of software. Okay, so that is Syllaby. Check it out. We'll go over here to the next one, and this is called Opus. And again, I'll link it below for you. Don't worry. Come over to Opus. Now, there is, you can see on here, look, it says pricing. Free, 60 credits a month. That is all I'm using. I'm not using the paid one. I don't need it at this moment in time. And realistically, will I get the paid version moving forward? I don't know. But how it works is, look, one long video, 10 viral clips. So all you do here is you paste your video link from YouTube into here, and you click on get video clips or get free clips. Now you can shorten that down, and again, we will cover that in the 4-day challenge for you. But that is basically it. So you put your video in here, it will give you 10 viral clips that you can use on your channel, and you can have it in different ways. So you can have it like full screen like this, you can have it half screen, and loads more. And it's free, it's awesome, and as you saw from the numbers I shared with you earlier, it works incredibly well. So look, that is today's video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll put links to Syllaby and Opus down below, and I'll also put a link down below to our 4-day challenge. If you are going to join us, it will be happening on Tuesday, the 4th of March, okay? So look, that's it. Take care, and I'll see you soon.